let me show you. If I paste it here and send it, you can see that here is the response that ChatGPT had generated. So today let's learn that how you can copy all the generated response or text from ChatGPT. And for that purpose, let me first of all open an old conversation from here for copying the text. And let me tell you that at the end of this video, I will also tell you that how you can produce the long or full responses which ChatGPT can produce the half ones. Means when we give a command to ChatGPT and it has to produce a long response, it may stop during the response or produce the half responses. How we can overcome this issue, we'll talk about that at the end of this video. Now for copying all the generated response, we have a little button here at the end of the generated response. ChatGPT has a new update with this button, and as soon as you press this little button here, all the generated response will be copied to your clipboard and you can paste it anywhere. Let me show you. If I paste it here and send it, you can see that here is the response that ChatGPT had generated, and you will have this button next to the every single response it has generated. So whichever text you want to copy, you can simply press the copy button available next to the response it has generated, and you can simply paste it anywhere where you want. So that's how you do it. Now for producing the long responses or using ChatGPT for long researches, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.